Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to host our websites for free. We'll be using GitHub Pages for this. Stick around. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my GitHub and I'm going to create a new repository. All you need to do is click on new. Now that you're on this page, you need to give that repository a name. I'm going to give mine weekly child. I'm not sure of the name, but use whatever name you wish. Afterwards, I'm going to make sure that it's set to public. So guys, make sure that it's set to public. Then once you check that you have all that in place, then you can click on create repository. Loading. So now that I'm back here on this page, you want to go to where you can easily upload your files that you're trying to host, whether it be your HTML or your CSS files. Yeah, so you are going to click on uploading an existing file. In my own case, I'm clicking on this. Yeah, so you already have your site that you already designed and you just want to host it or make it live on the internet. Then after clicking that, you can try to select the files or upload that folder you have your site. So I'm going to go to where I have those files inside this folder, and I'll select the index, that's the HTML and the styles file, and I will upload it here. You can see it's uploading really fast. Then you can choose to add a description for the changes you're trying to make. I'll just add a random description, anything you want, guys. Weekly giveaway. Oh, I'm missing an A. So essentially, I want to try to host my nav bar that you guys will be recreating. So I want to try to host it. So when I'm done with the description, I can click on commit changes. Great. So processing file, just give it a minute. All right, is loaded. So next thing you want to do is go to the settings, right? Just here, click on settings. And when you click on settings, you'll be taken to another page and you need to click on pages to the left pane of the window. You can see it, but remember to set your default branch to main. All right, so make sure all the settings are in place, then you click on pages because we'll be hosting using GitHub Pages. All right, so remember to also have your source set to deploy from a branch, don't forget that. And set your branch to main. All right, then make sure you save. Then you receive a pop-up to the left side top of the window. It's going to say GitHub Pages source. Make sure you get this notification. All right, so we're good to go. Then we are seeing a notification where your GitHub Pages site is currently being built. So it's going to take like at most 5 minutes for them to give you a live link where your website will be live on the internet. What you need to do is just keep refreshing the page. Keep refreshing the page. So I'm going to like try to fast forward this, but just keep refreshing the page and a link will be displayed where your site can be seen live on the internet. So it's still loading as at now. So let's try to fast forward this. Or let's just wait a moment. And then I think I should put the music in the background so you guys can just chill while we wait. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, you have your live link. So this link will take you to exactly what you hosted or whatever maybe the site that you designed. So let's click on visit site, or you can click on the link, anyone. So it's taking me to where, so as you can see, I have my beautiful nav bar hosted. If you go to this URL, you are going to be able to see my site, all right, from your device. Great. So everything is working perfectly. I really hope you guys can be able to recreate this nav bar because it's very easy to do. Okay, great. So that'll be all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.